Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm your host, Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq, and welcome to one of my favorite segments of the year when the Greenwood Project scholars take over Times Square at the Nasdaq Market Site studio. Guys, it's great to have you with us, as always. Welcome back to New York. Bhavan, we're going to kick it off with you, as always. Give us a little bit of highlights of what's going on with the group.
Sure. Well, thanks for having us back again for a third time. So as you know, the mission of the Greenwood Project is to introduce academically talented minority youth to careers in finance. A big part of that is bringing them to New York. Right, they have to experience this thing firsthand. We believe that they have to visit these firms such as Nasdaq. We're with you guys all day today. And the program keeps growing and growing. We've been tripling in size pretty much every year. We have about 35 college kids working in internships in Chicago, New York, and Philly. And we have about 25 high school kids in our high school program right now in Chicago.
Yeah, it's amazing how this continues to grow year after year. Let's run down the horn here. We're going to kick it off with you, Brandy. Tell us what grade you're in, where you're going to school, and what you're majoring in.
Yeah, for sure. So my name is Brandy Wayne. I am a sophomore student at Bradley University, double majoring in computer information systems and political science with a completed minor in Spanish. After my undergrad, I plan to continue my education in law, but while at Bradley, I hold 2 leadership positions in the University Student Senate and the university's Budget Review Committee. This summer, I'm interning at Equity Arm Investments, a wealth management firm where they do volatility and alternative investments. In my internship, I do numerous projects, including constructing portfolios. This is my first time in New York, and I hope to use this trip to my advantage to grow my social networking skills.
All right, well, you need to go outside and take pictures because I think on Instagram, Times Square is the #1 photographed place on the planet. Muriel, tell us some more about you.
So hi everyone, my name is Muriel Thompson. I'm a rising sophomore at the University of Illinois, Urbana-Champaign, majoring in global studies and also studying data science. I absolutely love statistics, so any way I can combine that interest with coding is right up my alley. At the university, I was recognized on the Dean's List both semesters, and this past spring, I actually had the opportunity to study abroad in Cape Town, South Africa, where I was supporting local economic development with curriculum building and small business development.
All right, that's a hot spot. Data science for sure. All right, Christopher, welcome.
So my name is Chris Holloway. I'm a senior at Drake University where I study finance. At Drake, I am the chairman of the Drake University Investment Club portfolio, and I'm also the CIO of the Greenwood Investment Fund. This summer, I spent time in London studying abroad, and I've also studied abroad in Turkey as well as France. This is also my second time being on the New York trip. I went last year, and this time I'm in a role of the student peer coach. So I'm here to assist these outstanding students in their exposure to the finance field in New York.
All right, well, welcome. Miguel.
First of all, Jill, thanks for having us. My name is Miguel Gomez. I'm currently a rising senior at the University of Illinois, Chicago, where I'm an economics major as well as an active member of the Economics Club. This summer, through the Greenwood Project, I'm interning at Matrix Executions, which is a derivatives execution firm tailored towards the buy side. There I get to work on various projects, Salesforce, as well as exchange data research. This is, as well as many of us, first time in New York City, so I'm super excited to gain exposure to the financial industry and learn from some of the best companies such as Nasdaq.
All right, I'll have to reach out to you when I need Salesforce help. That's always fun to navigate, right, guys?
So what I've heard.
All right, saving the best for last, Miss Sydney.
Yep. So I'm Sydney. I'm a junior at Howard University, majoring in economics and minoring in business and French. At school, I serve as treasurer for a sports and entertainment club, and I'm also a mentor for first-generation college students. This summer, through the Greenwood Project, I've been given the opportunity to intern at a nationally syndicated TV show at the Chicago Board Options Exchange, where I'm producing finance-related content each day, as well as assisting in marketing. And while in New York, I've just been enjoying learning more about the different departments in finance and how they vary at each of the different companies.
All right, great to meet you all. Bhavan, I say this every single year, we are going to be listing their companies one day in the Nasdaq stock market. I promise you that. Thank you, everyone, for joining me. And thanks for joining us on Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.